Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Sideways. This is my first video. It's gonna be mostly like a slideshow. There won't be much audio, but it will be step-by-step process of how to do Escalade gauge cluster on a Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra from 2007 and 2013. So thanks for watching and hope you all enjoy. So now you're going to take off the gauge cluster, and there's a pigtail on the back of it. You're going to want to squeeze down that tab right there and push it down and just pull it out and it should come off. So now for the fun part. This is the pigtail to the Silverado gauge cluster. You're going to want to cut it off. And then this is the pigtail to the Escalade gauge cluster. You're going to need this one. They're all the same colors except the harness coming out the Silverado has an extra yellow wire. You're going to want to splice it into one of the pink wires in that harness. I use a voltmeter to find out which one was the ignition one. And as you can see, I use this like heat shrink with solder in it. You heat it up with a lighter and it solders it. After that, I do put an extra heat wrap over it just to make sure it's nice and secure. After that, I taped it up and then put back the cover, and it looks like OEM, like you never cut anything off. And after that, you just connect it into the Escalade gauge cluster, make sure everything turns on, works, and there you go. Quick tip here before ending the video. You're going to want to find one of the gauge clusters off an Escalade of a 2010 and up, because the ones before that didn't have oil pressure or compass or temperature. So if you want to check your oil pressure and all that, you're going to need a gauge cluster off an Escalade of the years 2010 and up. Just a quick FYI. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. Click thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching.